Weekend Modder here with a send-in service proof video for Brian M. Brian, this is the console that you sent in for RGH service. It is a Corona motherboard, 4 GB, that did not require a postfix adapter, so that puts it in the V2 category. We RGH'd it using an Ace V3 non-CR4 setup, but as you can see, that doesn't present a problem as it's got really nice quick boots there. So default timing file on the Ace V3 and sRGH or RGH2 install. By default, the console is going to boot directly into Freestyle Dashboard, Dash Launch, XEX menu, Aurora Dash, all pre-installed on the console. Looks like you left a Halo disk in there as well. So check out those final confirmation emails that come from my store that have the YouTube video link to this proof video as well as your tracking number. There's some other good links in there that you'll want to check out. So thanks for your business, and hope you enjoy.